how to make boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can make a boomerang video from your camera roll on Instagram. If you guys were to open up Instagram, simply come over to your main homepage. After that, simply go over to the back camera. Then from over here, you guys are gonna have the option to create a boomerang. But if you guys want to make a boomerang from your camera roll, simply open up the App Store on the Play Store, and then after that click on the bottom right on search, and then type in over here boomerang. Once you guys type in boomerang over here, simply download the first application, which is the boomerang video maker loop. Simply click on get, and then you guys can just simply use this particular application to make boomerangs. And then after that, you guys can just simply upload them on Instagram, and that is how easy it is for you guys to actually upload boomerangs on Instagram from your camera roll. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.